Hi everyone, welcome back to the Kaizen Hub YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to launch an AWS EC2 instance and install Docker on an Ubuntu server. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, log into your AWS Management Console. After successfully logging in, you will see this dashboard. Now, click on Launch Instance. Here, you need to provide a name for your server. I'm going to name it Docker. Next, select the operating system. Here, I'm choosing Ubuntu. Scroll down to the Instance Type section. For this demonstration, I'm leaving it as the default T3.micro instance. Now, choose your existing key pair or create a new one if you don't have one. Next, if you want to configure the security group, you can do that here. For this demo, I'm leaving everything as the default configuration. Once everything looks good, click on Launch Instance. Perfect. As you can see, my Docker server has been launched successfully and is now up and running. Now let's connect to this EC2 instance and install Docker. First, copy the public IPv4 address of the instance. Next, open the folder where your PEM key file is stored. In my case, I have saved it on my desktop. Now I'm opening git bash from this location. To connect to the EC2 instance, use the following SSH command. Type SSH, then -i, then your PEM key file name, followed by the username Ubuntu, then the @ symbol, and finally the public IP address. As you can see, I have successfully logged into my Ubuntu EC2 instance. Now let's install Docker. Open any web browser and search for Install Docker on Ubuntu. You will see multiple results. Always open the official Docker documentation because it contains the latest installation steps. Make sure the selected operating system is Ubuntu. Now, scroll down. Here, Docker provides all the required installation commands. I'm simply copying the all commands one by one and executing them on my server. If it asks for confirmation, type Y and press Enter. Once that step is completed, scroll down to the next command, copy it and execute it as well. Follow the remaining commands exactly as shown in the official documentation until Docker installation is complete. Now let's verify whether Docker has been installed successfully. Run the following command to check the Docker service status. As you can see, Docker is active, running, and has started successfully. This means Docker has been installed correctly. From here, you can start Docker, stop Docker, restart Docker, and run all Docker-related commands. Now let me demonstrate by running a simple Docker command. Before that, let's update the package list. Now I'll execute docker ps. As you can see, it returns a permission denied error. This happens because the current user doesn't have permission to access the Docker daemon. For now, we can simply execute the command using sudo docker ps. Now the command executes successfully. Later, in another video, I'll show you how to run Docker commands without using sudo by adding the user to the Docker group. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Kaizen Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!